This is a spindle on a Woods D80 mower, and it's wallowed out. The square pin there, the square stock, somehow I guess it got loose. This is a good one I took off with another mower. Good cap there. It's a taper fit. It goes down in there and fits at a taper. Here's the one that was in there. As you can tell, that's supposed to be the keyway right there. Right there's the keyway. That's what it looks like, and it's all sloppy. It's a lot of clay. It's a good one. It goes on, but it gets tight as it goes down. And when you get down there, it's pretty tight. So what I'm thinking about doing is welding this keyway in here, this square stock in this keyway. Thinking about welding it right here with a MIG and just cut it down to where I can slide that back down on there, and hopefully that'll hold it. Once it gets down there and you get it tightened up, if that taper fit, squeeze in against there. So I'm hoping that'll hold it. I guess I'll find out. So I think I'm gonna try that. Guess if I have to, I could always grind this off and pull this spindle out. I could get somebody to turn me a new keyway over here on the other side. That's pretty soft stuff. If I had the equipment to do it, I could probably turn that in myself. It might tear this up, but that's a lot better than having to buy a spindle. So anyway, that's what I was thinking about doing.